Technology is reshaping the way people interact with their environment. And today's new generation of residents is not only looking for premium amenities, but added convenience as well. Those desires shouldn't be overlooked when it comes to your laundry room. Now you can build resident satisfaction by giving them a premium laundry experience with Speed Queen Insights, the industry's most powerful laundry management system. Speed Queen Insights not only gives your laundry service provider more control of the laundry room for smoother operation, it provides a great experience for residents too. With an easy-to-use app, residents can do laundry right from their smartphone. Designed to make your life easy and your residents happier, the Speed Queen app allows residents to pay for cycles with an online wallet and earn loyalty rewards as an incentive for using your machines. And with multiple languages, the Speed Queen app is also equipped with Wash Alert, which lets your residents monitor the status of every available machine right from the comfort of their dorm room or apartment. View remaining cycle times and get notified when their laundry is done. It's all supported by the world leader in commercial laundry, Alliance Laundry Systems. When you create a modern-day laundry experience, your residents will stay home on laundry day and help you turn your laundry room into an attractive amenity. Build resident satisfaction and offer them the convenience of doing laundry in luxury with Speed Queen Insights. Ask your laundry service provider about Speed Queen Insights today.